Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold has moved in the month of April and how it will move in the next 2 weeks of April. If you look at the price of gold, what we have seen that there are two patterns are forming. Okay, and these two patterns are very similar. First pattern is from 2012 to 2020 and the second pattern is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, the similarities are that they both have a resistance, weak resistance. Okay, and already made a half around $2070. Okay, look at this particular trend. There is a fall what we have seen and an upside we have seen. Okay, so chances can be high that if this level sustain, we can see it can cross this particular zone and can make a new high, which is trying to make and already made a high of around $2054. If you have seen my previous video, I've already explained you this, that the probability of going further upside is on a higher scale. As you have seen, the China is also accumulating a lot of golds. Okay, and that is from around 1800 level, 1854 level, that they started accumulating, because they know that the pattern is forming, as well as they know how to check. See, that is where they started accumulating it and can create a good wealth. Okay, now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 weeks of the April, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, suppose if the price sustain, chances are high, yes, it can sustain and can touch a level of around $2036. Okay, and once it start going upside, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $2072. Keep that in mind, that once started moving above level of $2032, chances of touching 2072 is there, and from there we can see it can cross that particular zone, because 2072 is already a weak resistance. So chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can go further upside. So you have to keep this in mind. Okay, but there is a volatility what we have seen, and you cannot predict that the market will move in one direction. No, when the market cannot move in one direction, it will hold for some time, then it will go upside, as well as if it come down, it hold for some time, then it will come down. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain that level, what we can see, it can go towards its next support, which is at a very low, that is around $1980, and once started moving below that particular level, it can go further low towards a level of around 1963, and once started falling below that level, chance of touching 1938 is there, and then further low to a level of around 1905. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, so the next support we can see coming at around 1980, and from there we can see a level of 1972, and once the price fall below that level, chances of touching a level of 1947 is there, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1913, and once the price fall below that particular zone, chances of going further low is there, and then we can see a level of $1897, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Okay, because there is a huge volatility we have seen in the price of gold. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. Okay, now understand why most of the traders lose money, because they try to make good percentage of return, that is 15, 30, 50 or 100% on a single day, or even in a week. Okay, they do not understand they are risking the full capital. By risking their full capital, they try to do. So I teach how to overcome all these things, how to strategize, when to trade, when not to trade, trading psychology, all these things I teach. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.